Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Super User. Today I'm gonna show you how to boot Kali Linux with Windows 10. I will leave all the links and resources in the description. First, let's talk about Kali. It is a Debian based Linux distribution developed by Offensive Security. What makes Kali stand out from other Linux distributions is the distinct set of tools and its environment, which makes it perfect for hacking, due to which it is highly preferred by hackers and cybersecurity class. So let's jump right into the installation. There are 4 major steps. First, you'll be downloading the Kali ISO file, then you will flash it on a pen drive. After that, make a partition in disk space, and then you will be ready to boot Kali. Let's get started with the first step. Open your browser, type Kali Linux, click here on download, and here you have the latest installer image of Kali. Download has started. I'll skip it. We have ISO file in downloads. Now you will make a bootable pen drive using Kali ISO image. For that we need a software to flash Kali image on pen drive. I'm going to use Balena Etcher. Open browser and search Etcher. Click on the first link. Here we have downloads for different operating systems. Click on Windows and your download has begun. Now open it and insert your pen drive. Now as you can see, Etcher has already detected my pen drive. But I first need to format my pen drive. It's done. Now open Etcher and choose your ISO file. After that, click Flash. This will take time. And it's done. Now eject your pen drive. Let's come to third step, making a partition in the disk space. Right click on Start menu and select Disk Management. Now right click on the volume from which you want to shrink the space for Kali. Click on Shrink Volume. I will allot around 70 gigs for Kali. In general, at least make it 50 gigs. Here we got around 68 gigs unallocated. Now power off your system and insert your pen drive. Now power on and access Boot Manager. Boot Manager can be accessed by pressing F12 few times in case of Lenovo while booting. For other manufacturers, you might have to press F12, Escape, F2 or F10. As you can see, first boot option is Ubuntu. That's because I already have Ubuntu installed, so technically I am triple booting Kali. But as long as you have enough disk space, it makes no difference in the process whether you are dual booting or triple booting. Anyways, this is our USB from which we are going to boot Kali. Enter. Select Graphical Install. Select your language. Now choose your location. Choose your keyboard format. Now wait. Here select No. Select a wireless network to continue installation on. Select network type and enter your password. Here choose a host name for your system. If you have a domain name, enter it here. Here enter the name of the owner. Now enter your username and enter your password. Okay, now here we have to decide how we want to make partitions. I'll go with manual. This free space here is the space that we stripped earlier for Kali. Enter. Create a new partition. Initially we are going to allot memory to root. 20 gigs will be enough. Enter. Select beginning. This / here signifies the root point of Kali. Now select Done setting up partition. Now rest of the free space will be allocated to home partition. Create another partition. Enter. Here your mount point is home. Click on Done setting up partition. Choose Finish partitioning and write changes to disk. No. Click Yes. Here click on Yes. Now you get to choose the environment and softwares you want to install on Kali. Personally, I prefer GNOME over XFCE. You choose according to your comfort. Leave rest as it is. I'll skip the installation. It is completed. Now your system will reboot. This is Grub bootloader. Comes with almost every Linux distribution. Select Kali. Now enter your password. And Kali has been successfully installed on your machine. You might face a problem. Click on tab might not be working on your laptop as it is by default disabled in Kali. To enable it, go to Settings, go to Mouse and Touchpad, and enable it here. Well, you are all set. Enjoy Kali. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, ask me in comments. Also tell me what you would like to see in my next videos. Please like and share this video. Also subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming videos. See you next time.